If you're over 50, there's a good chance you've been drinking water the wrong way. That might sound like an exaggeration, but a small adjustment, involving a specific natural nutrient, has been helping thousands of men regain their energy, confidence, and performance in the bedroom. And the most surprising part? It all starts with something that's already inside your body. Did you know that a natural amino acid found in watermelon can boost circulation, increase your energy, and directly improve your sexual performance? The best part? No medications, no side effects, no embarrassment. Stick with me to the end, because today you're going to learn what L-Citrulline is, how it works in your body, and why so many men are turning to it as a natural, practical, and intelligent solution to restore their vitality. L-Citrulline is what's known as a non-essential amino acid, which means your body can produce it on its own, but you can also get it from certain foods, especially watermelon, which is rich in this compound. What makes L-Citrulline so special is its ability to increase nitric oxide levels in the body, a compound that plays a critical role in relaxing and widening blood vessels, improving circulation throughout your entire system, including where it matters most. When your blood vessels are relaxed and healthy, blood flows more easily. And yes, that includes blood flow to the penis. And guess what? The main mechanism behind an erection is exactly that, blood flow. That's why L-Citrulline has been studied as a natural alternative to medications like Viagra, which also work by increasing nitric oxide, but through artificial means, often with side effects. One study published in the journal Urology in 2011 followed men with mild to moderate erectile dysfunction who took L-Citrulline daily for 1 month. The results? Significant improvement in erection hardness and increased frequency of intercourse, with no notable side effects. Why? Because unlike artificial stimulants, L-Citrulline doesn't force your body to react. It naturally supports your body's own nitric oxide production, allowing blood to flow more freely, especially to the areas that need it most. And here's the simple part. You can take L-Citrulline in a very practical way. Just mix it in a glass of water, preferably on an empty stomach or before bed. That's it. Water plus L-Citrulline. This small habit can lead to big results over time, including better energy, improved circulation, and stronger, more consistent erections. The recommended dose is usually between 1.5 grams and 3 grams per day, and you can find L-Citrulline in powder or capsule form at supplement stores and natural health shops. It's not an instant effect like a pharmaceutical pill, but over time you'll start to feel your body working better with more energy and confidence. Now, while L-Citrulline on its own already brings real benefits, there are complete natural formulas that combine it with other ingredients that enhance the effects, like pinus pinaster, vitamin C, L-lysine, magnesium, and more. These combinations are developed by experts who truly understand circulation, sexual health, and male performance. If you'd like to learn more about one of these complete formulas, combining L-Citrulline with other synergistic natural ingredients to boost circulation and performance, I've left the link to an exclusive video in the description and also pinned in the first comment. There, you'll find the full breakdown, the real studies behind it, and testimonials from everyday people using this solution, safely, discreetly, and without relying on meds. This isn't magic. It's not a gimmick either. It's just a natural, smart, and proven path for those who want to feel confident, in control, and back to their best selves. I believe that when knowledge is clear, accessible, and real, it has the power to change lives. And if you know someone silently going through this, send them this video. It might be exactly what they needed to hear today.